At the prestigious Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este, set against the stunning backdrop of Lake Como, BMW Motorrad unveiled their latest masterpiece in the superbike segment, the BMW Motorrad Concept RR. This concept bike is a bold statement of maximum performance, both in terms of technology and design, representing the next generation of BMW RR superbikes. Markus Flasch, head of BMW Motorrad, mentioned that this is the earliest BMW Motorrad has ever revealed a glimpse of what's coming for their future RR models. He called the Concept RR a true masterpiece, not just from a technical perspective, but also in terms of design. Under the hood, or rather under the fairing, the Concept RR packs a liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine, the very same platform used in their FIM Superbike World Championship winning machine. With over 230 horsepower on tap, this thing promises blistering, aggressive acceleration. Its electronic systems are borrowed straight from the M1000 RR, including engine management, traction control, and engine braking, all proven in the world's toughest racing circuits. When it comes to lightweight construction and aerodynamics, BMW Motorrad is clearly setting a new benchmark here. Thanks to innovative manufacturing techniques and the use of high-tech materials like carbon fiber and aluminum, every inch of this bike is designed to deliver maximum efficiency and optimal performance. Its design is sharp, expressive, and full of character, featuring an embossed RR logo at the rear and an illuminated RR badge beneath its sleek aluminum tail section. Aerodynamics were a huge focus for the engineers too. The Concept RR is built for high-speed stability, maximum cornering agility, and minimal drag to chase that ultimate top speed. BMW achieved this through an ultra-compact body, a clean look with minimal external accessories, and precision airflow management, with air being channeled directly through the bodywork, from the aggressive front end to the monolithic, aerodynamically optimized tail. As a cherry on top, BMW Motorrad also introduced a special leather jacket alongside the Concept RR's debut. Limited to just 50 pieces, this exclusive jacket is made from premium calfskin Nappa leather, crafted in collaboration with the Bavarian heritage brand MENDL. It's a perfect blend of motorsport spirit, high-end craftsmanship, and that signature BMW Motorrad exclusivity. So there you have it, a first look at the BMW Motorrad Concept RR, a futuristic superbike packing insane performance and uncompromising design. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.